moving on to the next, we're looking at supplied report. So let's click on supplied report, and this is the interface of supplied report. This is where we can get a report of all the product that was supplied to us from today, or also selecting a particular range of dates. So let's see how it works. You have the option of selecting a particular product, or you can select all. So let's just use all for this, and I'll select date range from on the 1st of May to on the 12th of May. And having selected that, I'm going to click on search product. So as you can see, it has brought out all the product that has been supplied from on the 1st to on the 12th of May. You can see that Fanta orange pet bottle was supplied. Fanta was also supplied. Fanta orange pet bottle was supplied. Paracetamol by Emzor was also supplied, and this was a paracetamol that we registered. The old quantity at the time it was supplied was 0. We added a quantity of 1000, and we now have a new quantity of 1000. So let's see what happens if we add a new supply to paracetamol. So let's go to our service list, and on the service list, here's paracetamol. I'm going to click on add quantity, and I want to add let's say 500. We're adding 500 to our quantity update. Quantity has been updated successfully. If we now go back to our report, supplied report, select all from on the 1st to maybe on the 13th, I will click on search. You see that you can now see that our record has been updated. From since we have sold, we had an old quantity of 990 because we've sold, remember we sold 10 paracetamol from the 1000, that now gave us a balance of 990. So look at the quantity we added 500. We now have a new quantity of 1490. So this helps you to track records of product that was supplied to you. You can print as usual, download or close this. You can select a particular product, and that is all what you can do under the supplied report.
Features: track multiple customer orders efficiently, provide clear invoices, charge per item, store customer details, offer repeat service discounts, accept cash, POS, transfers, check, manage costs and monitor revenue growth. You can choose between the offline and online version. You can access it on your phones. Monitor the general activities of your business from the admin panel. Perform backup and restore and lots more. Get a customized quote today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe now for more software demos. Contact us for pricing and demo. YouTube, JTECHNOLOGY Solutions. WhatsApp, +2348130441827. Email, jtechnologysolutions@gmail.com. Facebook, JTECHNOLOGY Solutions. Don't wait, take your business to the next level with JTPOS software.